Good morning, students. In 6th standard last period, we will learn about our 13th chapter. 30th chapter name is perimeter and area. Then first example is find the perimeter. We have to find the formula for perimeter of square, perimeter of equilateral triangle and perimeter of rectangle. Then first example is find the perimeter of square park of side 6 meter. Find the perimeter of square park of side 6 centimeter. That is side 6 meter is equal to perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. That is 4 into 6 meter. That is 24 meter. Then second example is find the perimeter of rectangular field whose length and breadth are 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. Find the perimeter of rectangular field whose length and breadth are 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. Then length is equal to 10 meter and breadth is equal to 7 meter. Then perimeter of rectangle is formula is 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into length is 10 plus breadth is 7 meter. That is 2 into 17 meter. That is 34 meter. Then third example is find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle PQR with side 6 centimeter. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle PQR with side 6 centimeter. That is side 6 centimeter is equal to perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side. That is therefore perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to 3 into side is 6 centimeter. That is 18 centimeter. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is 18 centimeter. Then next fourth one example is find the length of a side of square ABCD whose perimeter is 9.6 centimeter. Find the length of the side of square ABCD whose perimeter is 9.6 centimeter. Therefore solution is perimeter of square ABCD is equal to 9.6 centimeter given. Then we have to find length of side of square. That is perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Then 9.6 upon 4 centimeter is equal to side. That is 2.4 centimeter. Then shortcut is perimeter upon 4. That is 9.6 upon 4 is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Hence required side of is 2.4 centimeter. Then our next example is example 5. Perimeter of rectangle is 25 meter. Its breadth is 3 meter. I find its length. Solution is perimeter is equal to 25 meter. Breadth is 3 meter. We have to find length of that rectangle. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is perimeter is given 25 centimeter, 25 meter, and 25 is equal to 2 into length is we have to find plus breadth is given 3 meter. That is 25 is equal to L plus 6. That is 25 minus 6 is equal to L is equal to 99 is equal to 2 upon L. That is L is equal to 9.5. Hence required length is 9.5 meter. Next sixth example is find the length of side of an equilateral triangle PQR. Find the length of side of an equilateral triangle PQR whose perimeter is 18.6 centimeter. Find the length of the side of an equilateral triangle PQR whose perimeter is 18.6 centimeter. Solution is perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 18.6 centimeter. We know that perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. That is we have given perimeter 18.6 centimeter into 3 into we have to find side. That is 18.6 upon 3 is equal to side. That is side is equal to 6.2 centimeter. Hence required side is 6.2 centimeter. Then example 7th. Find the breadth of a rectangle with perimeter 9.4 meter and length 2.3 meter. Find breadth of a rectangle with perimeter 9.4 meter and length 2.3 meter. We have given perimeter is 9.4 meter, length L is 2.3 meter and breadth B is. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 9.4 is equal to into 2.3. Length is 2.3 meter plus breadth. That is 2 into 2.3 plus 2b. 4.6 plus 2b, that is 9.4 minus 4.6 is equal to 2b. 4.8 upon 2 is equal to b. B is 2.4 meter. Required breadth is 2.4 meter. Eighth example is whose perimeter is more, a square of side 5 cm or a rectangle of length and breadth is 3 and 4 cm respectively. Then perimeter of square is, we know that perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. That is 4 into side is 5 cm, then 20 cm. Perimeter of square is 20 cm. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into length is 3 cm and breadth is 4 cm. That is 2 into 7 cm. That is 14 cm. Therefore, perimeter of square is 20 cm and perimeter of rectangle is 14 cm. Then, therefore, perimeter of square is greater than perimeter of rectangle. Then, example 9. If we double the length of each side of a square of side 5 cm, then how many times its perimeter will be increased? We know that square of side is equal to 5 cm. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Then perimeter of former square is equal to 4 into 5 cm, that is 20 cm. When we double the length of each side of given square, then the length of each side will be 2 into 5 that cm, 10 cm. Then perimeter of new square is equal to 4 into 10 cm, that is 40 cm. By comparing the perimeter of former and later square, we can say that when we double the length of each side of a square, then the perimeter of square thus obtained is double the perimeter of the former square. When we double the length of each side of a square, then the perimeter of the square thus obtained is double the perimeter of the former square. Next, 10th example is find the length of wire required to fence a square plot whose side is 7.5 meter. Also find cost of wire at the rate of rupees 45.50 per meter. Firstly, we have given solution is perimeter of square plot is equal to 4 into side. Then length of wire required is equal to 4 into 7.5 centimeter, 7.5 meter. That is 30 meter. Then the cost of 1 meter wire is equal to rupees 45.50 meter. Then therefore cost of 30 meter wire is equal to rupees 45.50 into 30, that is rupees 1365. Then 11th example is find the length of wire required to fence a rectangular field whose length and breadth is 8.5 meter and 6.5 meter respectively. Also find the cost of wire at the rate rupees 48.50 meter. Find perimeter of rectangle is length is equal to 8.5 meter, width is equal to 6.5 meter. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width. The perimeter of rectangular field is equal to into length is 8.5 plus 6.5 meter, that is 2 into 15 meter is equal to 30 meter. Hence the cost of 1 meter wire is equal to rupees 48.50. Therefore cost of 30 meter wire is equal to rupees 1455. Next 12th example is the cost of wire used in the fencing a rectangular plot is rupees 1500. Find the width of length of plot if the cost of 1 meter wire is rupees 50 and find width of plot is we have solution is total cost of wire used in fencing is equal to rupees 1500. Cost of 1 meter wire is 50 meter. Breadth of the plot is 5 meter. Then perimeter of plot is equal to total length of wire used in fencing. That is total length of wire used in fencing is equal to total cost of wire used in fencing upon cost of 1 meter wire, that is 1500 upon 50, that is 30 meter. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 30 is equal to 2 into length plus width. Width we have given 5. 2 into length plus 10, that is 30 minus 10 is 2 length, that is 20 is equal to 2 into length. Length is equal to 10. Hence length of the plot is 10 meter. Next 13th example is find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is double to its width and width is of 4 cm. We have to find perimeter of rectangle whose length is double to its width, that is width is equal to 4 meter, then length is equal to double of width, that is 2 into 4 meter, that is 8 meter. Length of rectangle is equal to 8 meter. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus width, that is 2 into 8 plus 4, that is 2 into 12 meter, that is 24 meter. Then example number 14, if the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and width is 8 cm and 4 cm respectively is equal to the perimeter of square, then find the side of the square. Length of rectangle is 8 cm, width of rectangle is 4 cm, then perimeter of rectangle is equal to into 8 plus length into width, that is 8 plus 4 cm, that is 2 into 12 cm, 24 cm. Since perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of square, therefore perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into side is equal to 24 cm. We have given perimeter of rectangle is 24, then side is equal to 24 upon 4 is 6 cm. Inside of the required square is 6 cm. Then solve the exercise 13.2. Then our next point is area. Our next point is area. What is area? The surface area occupied by a closed figure is its area. The surface occupied by a closed figure is known as its area. To measure the area, unit is used which is known as unit square. The surface occupied by a closed figure is known as the area. To measure the area, a unit is used which is known as a unit square. Then finding area on graph paper. We will see this finding area on graph paper in next period. Okay, thank you.